Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a beer pub slash favorite. Hell yeah. Beer battered mushrooms? Let's do it. So I got my Weber Kettle going with the Weber Kettle baskets inside in the center, roaring with a large 6-quart Dutch oven with canola oil ready to rock. It's hot, ready to go, and we're going to take our, what we're using is Baby Bellas, and we're dipping them into this awesome flour with sweet and spicy Uncle Steve shake. Mix that all up, and we're doing some panko in there as well, and some beer. Mix that all up, dip those mushrooms in there, and drop them in that hot oil. Oh, it doesn't take long either. Pull them out, let them rest on a wire rack. But then we gotta make an awesome sauce, a dipping sauce that is. So I've made this sauce once before for that blooming onion, and it was so awesome. I think it's going to go awesome with this beer battered mushroom. Oh, hell yeah. It's awesome. Let's do it. Duke's mayo, 2 cups. Say 4 tablespoons ketchup. Mix that all up. 2 tablespoons horseradish. Yeah, hell of a good. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Oh, hell yeah. And a couple dashes of that Uncle Steve's sweet and the spicy Oh, hell yeah. Awesome. Mix that all up. Great. Awesome dipping sauce. Whatever you need, you dip that in there. Gold. And you're probably going to need to make a double batch like I did. So, fantastic. These rocked. Oh, hell yeah. So subscribe to the Beer Champ Nation. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.